Like when I send you $1,000 credit and you call me, girl. What kind of style is it, pan? I tell you, I'm not live this, I'm living in a mansion. Where you do a board house? Board house are not for me. You can't send $1,000 credit and they are board house. Alright, hold on, me call them back, somebody will come. What go on, fire link?
Boy, there and I give you all the time. I reckon I go find out where this.
Boy, I mean, man. Well, I wish you could come for this thing, you know.
Boy, you know, so if I'm out there still, every night I come in, I check in my house, I see some ants on my bed, and some different, and some crumbs and them. I wonder if somebody go in my house, what am I do there?
I could ask one of them girls where you harbour. I tell you already, you know, it's the top harbour them, one of them take a key and go cut, you know. But me I tell you, you see, if I'm my place, me I tie them up in an ant's nest.
Yo, I tell you, I don't give nobody no key for my house. And me alone have a key for the house, you understand?
No worry, man. Me give you a watch out for you, man.
But anyway, I work me I go pan still, because I soon figure out how I go on. That's all
Alright, hold on, man. More you pick up something for me later, and I'll give you a call and that. What? Chicken? Rasta nothing young chicken. Don't be Rasta man don't know how to cook, man. Alright. Food there. Food there. Plastic fan no. Not work. Dumpling. The fruit. Alright. And my rasta, when you should have cook fish, I went free them, one juice. In my life, a man say I live a long time and I use for a long tea. Call the boy Rasta before I reach him.
Go on it on, yeah. Go on.
Yeah, man, it's like when you're left for about 5 o'clock. Let's pick up a bag of bull out at Gilly Bakery.
Alright, me do that, man. Alright, that's alright.
Boy, them boys never know them trim him. Wow, this is life.
Popeye! Yo, Popeye!
Yo, fire, what one?
Yo, where the youth? There's some drop off over here. Not the yard gate, you know.
No, wait for me there. Wait for me right there.
No, I can't wait to see my yo. I have to cut you. Yo, I'm down in my yard. But I come off for work now, yo. Ah. Things are right, you know, same thing again. second time to third time and now. Somebody are coming to my house. Now they left all the plate on the bed. TV on. Yo, Papa, you're part of you.
On the road.
Yo, come link me out. Come in, you.
Alright.
This is the same thing I showed today. Look here.
Backside.
On my TV on, I'm just reach out you. Look there.
Them
On TV on.
Me have to let them go and live life. Tell you what to do already, you know.
You have the right thing for you, man. This is for you, you see me?
This is our fire.
Some sleeping pill, man. When you drop that in or whatever, you don't show me say I eat them, I eat out the food now. So when you drop that in it, you have to find out how.
You don't kill nobody.
No, sir, just make them sleep. You don't do them nothing, man. Good.
Don't say a word. That's what I want. Good idea.
Alright.
So everything good though.
Yeah, man, I go and hold it, man.
They are trying to get over some little thing we are going in our life. But that's how it go.
Alright, that's alright.
That's how it go. See?
Alright, yeah, man.
Blend. I say I'm be a bad man. Yeah. Woo-hoo. Comfortable boy. Them girls should have seen me now. Put it on Instagram. Ah. Yeah, Baba. Juice. Tastes like breastfeeding, boy. What is that?
All along are you. What's sweet nanny goat? I'll be running in belly. Alright.
Look at this one. Ants. Woo! Ants.